Midnight in a kingdom made of glass, lipstick on the rim of a broken hourglass. I wore the crown like it was innocence, and now it's heavy in the consequence. Soft breath. It's quiet in the palace tonight. Fall in slow motion, perfume and political devotion. We danced on a balcony of gold while the headlines turned us cold. I remember how the chandeliers swayed, every promise we carefully made. You said forever like a battle cry, but forever learned how to lie. Did you hear the crowd outside? They're whispering my name in the dark, painting roses on a broken heart. Every empire has a flame, every ruler takes the blame, and I was born to wear the fire. I'm the last empress standing in the light. Diamonds in my heart, glitter in the fight. If love was a kingdom, we let it burn. Now I rule the ashes, page by page I turn. I'm golden but I'm bruised. I got nothing left to lose. If history remembers us reckless, let it say I was the last to claim. The last to claim. Silk letters folded in a drawer, truth bleeding through the metaphor. You kissed me like a treaty sang, with invisible link between the lines. Yoga stead was playing brave while we dug our own parade, smiling for the photographs while the future split in half. Funny how the crown still fits. They're building statues out of smoke, every vow we ever spoke. Marble cracks, but stories stay. Legends never fade away. I won't bow to silence. could talk, they'd say we were reckless in our royal way, young and dressed in borrowed fate, slow dancing